Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Hello Kitty as a black cat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a curve across for the top of the head. And now on both ends, let's add the ears. Let's draw a curve up and out. And then curve it back down underneath. Now inside each of the ears, let's draw another curve across at the bottom. And then two curves up, meeting at a point. Now let's move back down and let's draw a curve down and in for the sides of the head. And then a curve across to connect it at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the bow. On the top right, let's start with a circle. Then let's hop up and let's draw a curve up to the right, around, and back in. And the same on the top left. And add a curve inside each side. Next, let's hop out, and next to the bow, let's draw a curve out on the left. And then curve it down. And then another curve down on the right side as well. Now let's hop inside this middle section and let's draw the face. Let's start with two ovals for the eyes. And color them both in black. And then hop to the center and let's add a sideways oval for the nose. And lastly for the head, let's move to the sides and let's draw three curves going out for the whiskers. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a circle. And then inside, let's add the pumpkin face. Let's draw two triangles at the top for the eyes. And color them in black. And then underneath, a small black triangle for the nose. Now for the mouth, let's draw a small line in the center, and then two square shapes down and out. Then let's curve it back up, and a curve underneath. And color the inside of the mouth in black. Next, let's hop out, and on both sides, let's draw a curve up, down, and back in for the sides of the bow. And then add a curve inside each one. And that's it for the bow. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Let's start with a curve out on both sides near the top here. Then a bump up for the thumbs, and then a larger curve out and back in underneath. Next, let's hop inside the hands and let's draw an oval, and then 3 circles next to it like this. And that's it for the arms. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and bring it in. Then a line down in the center and a curve across to close off each leg. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the right side, let's draw a wavy line out and up. And then a curve at the top. And follow that same wavy line all the way back in. And that's it for Black Cat Hello Kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!